Hugelkultur. Do we still have anybody here who doesn't know what Hugelkultur is? Oh, we do have one person. Soil on wood. As the wood rots, it becomes a sponge to hold water. You'll be able to plant all your favorite garden plants on your Hugelkultur bed, and it'll have all the water it needs through the summer without watering it at all, if you make it big enough. And usually whenever I talk about Hugelkultur in a presentation, the next hour and a half is devoted to what kind of wood can I use, what can I plant on it, things of that nature. But we're going to skip that today. We'll do it another time. Next slide, please. Oh, more Hugelkultur. So this has got pictures of Sepp Holzer's work up in Dayton, Montana. He put in nearly 1 kilometer of Hugelkultur beds. And so I had one video out where it showed people who took a bunch of sod. They dug up a bunch of sod to be used for a garden, and they piled it up and they stuck tomato plants in it, and it went all summer without irrigation. But that was videoed in Seattle, and even though that summer there was only trace amounts of any kind of precipitation during the summer, it was like, oh no, that's all that the tomatoes needed to get through the summer. So that was disqualified. I had another one where it was video from July, and it was green and lush, and they're riparian species, but people didn't recognize the plants in that as anything that would grow in their garden. So finally, I got this video. Sepp Holzer did nearly 1 kilometer of Hugelkultur beds in May of 2012 and immediately planted it full of all kinds of stuff. I came through in September. Nobody had irrigated it at all, and you can see all the food growing on it. And you can recognize a variety of plants that people grow in regular gardens. Now all the naysayers have shut up. So this seems to be a big part of my job, is dealing with all the naysayers. So now it's basically been proven.